white wine mustard cream sauce chicken stir fry. Let's make it.
Okay, let's go. You'll notice here, I've sliced my chicken into smaller and thinner strips. Makes it easier to cook, a little bit quicker, and a little bit more even. We'll season these up with some salt and pepper. And you'll notice here, as the edges start to get white towards the center, it's going to be time to turn that chicken. Okay, once our chicken is almost cooked, we're going to go ahead and prepare our rice noodles. We're simply going to place them in a bowl and cover them with hot water. It'll take about 8 to 10 minutes to get those soft. Next, we'll move on to sautéing our vegetables. Tonight, I'm using some nice sliced onions, garlic, peppers, and mushrooms. We'll go ahead and season those up as well with a little bit of salt and pepper and give them a little shake. Once they're ready, we'll set them aside. And onto our cream sauce, I'm using mustard seed. There's the white wine. We're going to reduce this by about half. We'll lower our heat down to low. Once that's nice and ready and the alcohol is cooked out, we'll go ahead and add approximately 1 cup of heavy cream and give that a little stir, and then also season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. This cream sauce is absolutely delicious. Now that it's ready, we've gone ahead and added in our rice noodles. We'll give those a nice quick toss. This dish smells absolutely delicious. The aromas from this are incredible. Next up, our sautéed vegetables. We'll go ahead and give this a nice toss. And an added bonus tonight, I'm going to be added in some sun-dried tomatoes. I find this gives this dish a fantastic extra flavor. Next up is adding back in our chicken. It's had a nice rest while everything else has been cooking. We're going to give it a nice good toss. And for the last little additions, a few red chili flakes to give this dish a little bit of heat, and some fresh chopped parsley. And one final toss, and we're going to move on to giving this great dish a try. Please also remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. This dish is fantastic, and I really would like you to see more of these dishes. This is such a quick and easy recipe. A mustard cream sauce chicken stir fry, a fantastic dinner idea you can make again and again.
Boom! That is just freaking delicious. You've got to make this. This is off the charts delicious. You got to try this. Wow. That's presentation. This is what Uncle Drew's gonna eat. Everything. Everything. Wow, it's delicious.